She's going to take a picture.
More bad news now. Reagan facing a log roll with wrecking ball.
Are you doing the laundry for Mama? Are you helping her? You do a good job.
Yes, she does.
Except I think you should have clothes on.
Nah. They're in the laundry.
Oh. This is naked time.
Good job. All done.
You don't. Can you close the door? Wow. Very good.
Oh, ran into the couch.